Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through the comparison between two big players in 2025 video creation, and they are Ecamm AI and Videoleap. Both are AI powered, but they shine in totally different ways. Which one should you use for your finance brand or social content? Let's break it down. When it comes to ease of use, Ecamm AI is easy for live streamers and professionals, while Videoleap is beginner friendly and has drag and drop editing. When we look at the AI tools they have, Ecamm AI has auto camera switching, it has captions, it has scene management, while Videoleap has AI effects, text to video, and templates. When we look at their price, Ecamm AI is subscription based, like Me Too high level pricing, while Videoleap has free basic plan plus has premium upgrades. When we look at what they are best for, Ecamm AI is best for webinars, live finance shows, and professional events, while Videoleap is best for short videos, finance reels, and creative ads. When we look at their speed, Ecamm AI has real-time enhancement, while Videoleap has fast editing with templates. Lastly, what output do they give? The output style is Ecamm AI gives you polished broadcast quality output, while Videoleap gives you creative, trendy, and social-ready output. So in conclusion, Ecamm AI is built for live shows and pro-level webinars. Just think smooth professional presentations and broadcast quality polish. That is Ecamm AI. But Videoleap, on the other hand, is the go-to for quick, creative videos, which are perfect for Instagram, TikTok, or short-form finance content. So if you want professional live presentations, go with Ecamm AI. But if you are chasing creative, social-friendly videos, Videoleap is the winner. Which one would you prefer? Drop your answer in the comments, smash the like button, and subscribe for more smart comparisons. See you in the next one.